How to fix common hosting issues on Hostinger. Are you tired of dealing with slow loading speeds, downtime, and other hosting issues on Hostinger? As a web creator, it's frustrating to experience technical problems that can impact your online presence. In this video, we'll walk you through some common hosting issues on Hostinger and provide you with practical solutions to resolve them. Firstly, let's talk about slow loading speeds. This can be caused by a variety of factors, including server overload, per website optimization, and inadequate hosting plan. To fix slow loading speeds on Hostinger, try upgrading to a faster hosting plan, optimize your website's images and code, and consider using a content delivery network, CDN, to distribute your content across different servers. Another common hosting issue is downtime. This can occur due to server maintenance, software updates, or other technical issues. To minimize downtime on Hostinger, make sure to regularly back up your website, keep your software up to date, and monitor your server's performance regularly. Additionally, some users may experience issues with their website's security. Hostinger offers various security features, such as SSL certificates and malware scanning, but it's still essential to take extra precautions to protect your website. Regularly update your software, use strong passwords, and consider using a security plugin to scan your website for vulnerabilities. Lastly, let's talk about cPanel issues. cPanel is a popular control panel used to manage your website's hosting settings. However, some users may experience issues with cPanel, such as login problems or incorrect settings. To resolve cPanel issues, try resetting your password, checking your settings, and contacting Hostinger's support team if needed. By following these tips and tricks, you can resolve common hosting issues on Hostinger and keep your website running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe.